The Galaxy S25 series might still be some time away, but the internet is buzzing with leaks and rumors. Let's dive into everything we know so far about Samsung's next flagship series. Mobile phone rocket. Galaxy S Plus model. The Galaxy S Plus model has always been the peculiar middle child, offering a bigger screen and greater battery compared to the standard S series. The Galaxy S25 series looks to continue this trend. But will these features be enough to justify paying extra for the Plus model? Thinking face. Design expectations. The design expectations for the Galaxy S25 series are not too thrilling. It seems Samsung is playing it safe with minor tweaks. We're looking at a flat back and front with rounded corners and flat sides, similar to the previous generations. There's a report suggesting the Galaxy S25 Plus will have the widest bezels among the models. Triangular ruler. Camera systems. The camera systems look remarkably similar to this year's models. Expect 3 independent camera housings in the upper left corner. The size difference between the S25 and S25 Plus is likely to remain the same, with a 6.2-inch versus 6.7-inch display. Camera with flash. Materials and build. Both phones are expected to feature the same glass and aluminum build. No exotic materials for the standard and Plus variants. The titanium treatment is reserved for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hammer and Wren. Color variants. There are some interesting color speculations. Typically, the standard and Plus models share colors, but there's a rumor of an additional color for the Plus model. Here are the expected colors. Galaxy S25 colors: Moonlight Blue, Silver Shadow, Sparkling Blue, Sparkling Green. Galaxy S25 Plus colors: Moonlight Blue, Silver Shadow, Sparkling Blue, Sparkling Green, Midnight Black. Display advancements. We don't expect significant display advancements. Both models will likely have the same 6.2-inch and 6.7-inch panels with a 1 to 120 Hz LTPO display. We might see the fantastic anti-reflective coating from the S24 Ultra. Expect the same resolution and pixel density as their predecessors. Desktop computer. Performance. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset will power all 3 S25 versions, including the standard and Plus models. The latest benchmarks show this chipset's performance to be on par with or even better than Apple's A18 Pro. Rocket. RAM and storage. The Galaxy S25 Plus might have a slight advantage in RAM and storage, but details are still unclear. Both models will come with Galaxy AI and a lengthy 7 years of service, launching with Android 15 and One UI. Chart increasing. Battery life and charging. Recent reports suggest no major changes in battery size: 4000 mAh for the S25 and 4900 mAh for the S25 Plus. Samsung will use AI to optimize and extend battery life. Charging speeds are expected to remain conservative, with 25W wired charging for the S25 and 45W for the S25 Plus. Battery. Camera transition. There's speculation about upgrading to Sony LTI sensors for the main cameras. These sensors could offer better light catching and low noise levels. The ultrawide and telephoto cameras are expected to remain the same. Camera with flash. Pricing. While we don't have exact prices, it's expected that the Galaxy S25 range won't differ too much from the previous generation. The Snapdragon 8 Elite could cost between $190 and $240. Money bag. Conclusion. Samsung seems to be following the same concept, offering a slightly larger flagship with a bigger battery and screen. Whether it's worth the extra $200 for the Plus model remains to be seen. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech news and updates.